मैं कल बाजार जाऊंगा। I will go to the market tomorrow. I will go to the market tomorrow. वह अभी फोन पर बात कर रहा है। He is talking on the phone right now. He is talking on the phone right now. तुमने ये काम क्यों नहीं किया? Why didn't you do this work? Why didn't you do this work? मुझे सुबह जल्दी उठना पड़ता है। I have to wake up early in the morning. I have to wake up early in the morning. हम शाम को पार्क में मिलेंगे। We will meet in the park in the evening. We will meet in the park in the evening. उसने मुझे सच नहीं बताया। He did not tell me the truth. He did not tell me the truth. क्या तुम मेरी मदद कर सकते हो? Can you help me? Can you help me? मैं ये किताब पढ़ रहा हूँ। I am reading this book. I am reading this book. वे लोग बाहर इंतजार कर रहे हैं। They are waiting outside. They are waiting outside. मुझे ये फिल्म पसंद आई। I liked this movie. I liked this movie. तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? उसने खाना बना लिया है। She has cooked the food. She has cooked the food. मैं तुम्हें बाद में कॉल करूँगा। I will call you later. I will call you later. हमें समय पर पहुंचना चाहिए। We should reach on time. We should reach on time. क्या तुमने अपना होमवर्क पूरा किया? Did you complete your homework? Did you complete your homework? वह हमेशा सच बोलता है। He always speaks the truth. He always speaks the truth. मैं आज बहुत व्यस्त हूँ। I am very busy today. I am very busy today. तुमने मुझे पहले क्यों नहीं बताया? Why didn't you tell me earlier? Why didn't you tell me earlier? वह मेरी बात नहीं सुन रहा है। He is not listening to me. He is not listening to me. हमें ये काम आज ही खत्म करना है। We have to finish this work today. We have to finish this work today. मैं तुम्हारा इंतजार कर रहा था। I was waiting for you. I was waiting for you. उसने दरवाजा बंद कर दिया। He closed the door. He closed the door. क्या तुम मेरे साथ चलोगे? Will you come with me? Will you come with me? मैं ये काम खुद कर सकता हूँ। I can do this work myself. I can do this work myself. वह बहुत तेज दौड़ता है। He runs very fast. He runs very fast. तुमने ये कैसे किया? How did you do this? How did you do this? मुझे तुम्हारी बात समझ में नहीं आई। I did not understand what you said. I did not understand what you said. वह अभी सो रहा है। He is sleeping right now. He is sleeping right now. हमें सच जानना है। We need to know the truth. We need to know the truth. तुम इतनी देर से क्यों आए? Why did you come so late? Why did you come so late? मैं तुम्हारे साथ जाना चाहता हूँ। I want to go with you. I want to go with you. उसने मुझे एक अच्छा सुझाव दिया। He gave me a good suggestion. He gave me a good suggestion. क्या तुमने उसे देखा? Did you see him? Did you see him? मैं कल से पढ़ाई शुरू करूँगा। I will start studying from tomorrow. I will start studying from tomorrow. वह मुझसे नाराज है। He is angry with me. He is angry with me. हमें इस बारे में बात करनी चाहिए। We should talk about this. We should talk about this. तुम बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हो। You are doing a very good job. You are doing a very good job. मैं यह नहीं कर सकता. I cannot do this. I cannot do this. उसने मेरी मदद की. He helped me. He helped me. हमें जल्दी करना होगा. We will have to hurry. We will have to hurry. मैं तुम्हें सच बताऊंगा. I will tell you the truth. I will tell you the truth. क्या वह घर पर है? Is he at home? Is he at home? मैं तुम्हारी बात से सहमत हूँ. I agree with you. I agree with you. उसने मुझे बुलाया. He called me. He called me. तुम क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? मैं वहाँ पहले जा चुका हूँ. I have been there before. I have been there before. हमें इसे ठीक करना होगा. We will have to fix this. We will have to fix this. वह मुझे समझ नहीं पा रहा है. He is not able to understand me. He is not able to understand me. मैं तुमसे बाद में मिलूंगा. I will meet you later. I will meet you later. उसने ये गलती की. He made this mistake. He made this mistake. मैं अभी व्यस्त हूँ. I am busy right now. I am busy right now. क्या तुम तैयार हो? Are you ready? Are you ready? उसने मुझे इंतजार कराया. He made me wait. He made me wait. हमें सच्चाई स्वीकार करनी चाहिए. We should accept the truth. We should accept the truth.